For example 4, we're asked to solve for x in the equation y equals mx plus b. So I'm just going to underline x here. Now, in order to solve for x, we need to deal with the m and the b. We need to make sure x is isolated on one side of the equal sign. Remember, you always work with addition and subtraction first when solving the equation. So to get rid of plus b, we're going to subtract b. That will cancel out and give us 0. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So we have y minus b. Now notice we can't combine those, so you just have to write them out together. Y minus b equals mx plus b minus b. Those go to 0. Now we still want to solve for x, so think about how the m is connected to the x. It's connected by multiplication. So to undo that, we want to divide both sides by m. Notice that we're dividing the entire left-hand side of the equation by m. Here, the m's will cancel and give you 1x, or just x, equals, rewriting the left-hand side, y minus b over m. Now to write the answer, it's nice to have the variable you solved for on the left-hand side. So I'm just going to write x equals y minus b over m. That is the correct answer. You may also, for a variety of reasons, need to split this up into two separate terms, in which case this would be y over m minus b over m. This is a correct answer as well. For example 5, we have 3x plus 4y equals 20, and we're asked to solve for y. So first we want to get rid of the 3x. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. On the left we have 3x minus 3x. That goes to 0, leaving us with 4y equals 20 minus 3x. Again, these are not like terms, so you can't combine them. All you can do is write them out on one line. So we're still solving for y here, so we need to divide both sides by 4. Divide the entire right-hand side by 4. So we have y equals, and rather than recopying this, I'm going to go ahead and split it up. We have 20 over 4 minus 3x over 4. Simplifying, we have 20 over 4 gives us 5 minus 3/4 x. For example 6, we have x minus y equals 5, and we're asked to solve for y. So we want to get rid of this x. So minus x minus x. On the left, they cancel out, give us 0, leave us with negative y equals 5 minus x. Now we need to deal with this negative sign. Remember, that's the same as multiplying by a negative 1. To get rid of that, divide by negative 1. So on the left-hand side, we have just y equals 5 over negative 1 minus x over negative 1. Simplifying, we have y equals negative 5 plus x. Or you could write this y equals, reversing the order, x minus 5. Either one of these is correct. For this last one, example 7, we're asked to solve for c. We have f equals 9/5 c plus 32. To solve for c, we first want to get rid of the 32, so we're going to subtract it off. So we have on the left f minus 32 equals 9/5 c. 32's cancel, leave us with 0. So now we want to get rid of this 9/5. In order to do it, we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So on the left, we're going to have 5/9 times f minus 32. Notice I put this in parentheses. You're multiplying everything on the left-hand side by 5/9. And on the right-hand side, 5/9 times 9/5 C. And everything on the right should cancel and leave you with C. The 5's cancel, the 9's cancel, and leave you with 1C, or just C. And on the left, I'm just going to leave this 5/9 F minus 32. And there we have it. A couple of different ways to write your answer. C equals 5/9 F minus 32. So you can distribute the 5/9 to give you C equals 5/9 F minus 5/9 times 32 over 1, 160 over 9. Again, both of these are correct.